crude here, back at the crude, now at 10:43, just before 11 o'clock. As you can see, these patterns didn't come very early this morning. We're coming up, short-term trend up. You can see we kind of hovered around this trend line here all morning this morning. We test the high of day here. We break above the high, mark up your swing high. We break above that swing high. We continue with the short-term trend for a breaker pattern long at 10:45. 76.40 was the fill. 2 off at 4. Stop to entry. Lock out all the risk. We then got bounced out here as it came back down before it then came back up and made new highs. So very tough sometimes at the high of day. As we talked about today, I'll usually always look for the short off these highs rather than trying to buy the highs, because you oftentimes will see people taking profit there. You've got all kinds of impulsive moves that happen at those highs. So we were lucky enough to get the first profit target filled. It bounced off the highs, took us out of the trade, and then kept going a couple more ticks. But that's just kind of natural with what happens at the high of day. Next up, we're back to gold here at 10:44. Literally a minute and a half later, we were watching both of these patterns setting up. We took the crude trade first, then we of course took the gold trade. Now this, like I said before, we took two steps, say, on gold. This was virtually the same pattern. Now you can see here in the lower left-hand corner, right, that was that two-step and the wave combo right there. Okay, so we weren't done, obviously. We come back up. We test the high of day again. Guys, if this wants to keep giving us patterns like this, keep taking them, right? There's no reason why we can't take this back-to-back patterns like this. If it's going to keep giving me two-step shorts, we come down, mark up our swing low, break below that swing low, again, off the high of day here. Guys, if they're going to keep giving us these, keep taking them. 28.5 is the fill at 10:45. 2 off at 4, 2 off at 1. That's 10 ticks or 100 USD. Again here for our fifth trade and our final trade here on the gold. So again, you can see back-to-back, two-step to a wave, back to a two-step, guys. If it's going to keep setting up, guys, we'll keep taking it. And the final trade today here in the euro was a breaker pattern long. Again, these are a little bit higher risk going into the high of day. Short-term trend is up. We break through the high of day, mark up our swing high, and we break through. Now, guys, it was very challenging on the euro this morning. The euro really did not give us much to work with. We were looking for a two-step short down here for a while. That didn't set up, so we began to curl up, look for the breaker pattern long. We took the breaker pattern long, but boy, it was a very difficult time seeing these patterns develop. At 11:05 this morning, 23.25 was the fill. We took 2 off at 4, move our stop down, got off at +2. That's 2 off at 2, 2 off at 4, 12 ticks or 150 USD because the euro is at 12.50 per tick. All right, guys, total all up, 6 total trades, 85 ticks, 943 USD. Let's prep for tomorrow. Another big winning day here. Hopefully we'll have the same thing tomorrow. Tomorrow, 8:30 housing starts, 9:15 industrial production, 10:30 we have our crude inventories, 11:30 tomorrow we have our members training, so make sure you guys are aware of that for you members out there. And don't forget, tomorrow's Wacky Wednesday. Wednesday is when we begin to see the options expiration. We start seeing signs of that because people are jockeying for position. They're moving their portfolios around, getting ready for options expiration on Friday. So Wacky Wednesday is expected to be pretty interesting tomorrow. We'll talk more about that, how to trade it tomorrow morning in our live trade room, so be here for that. Once again, guys, my name is Joseph James. Hope the video helps. Don't forget, trade room opens up tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. Tuesday, Thursday live webinars. The beginner's course has all the entry rules, the routine, the pattern, guys, everything you need to trade along with us in live trade room. And don't forget, the beginner's course lays the foundation of knowledge for your advanced course, which is a lifetime membership. And for more information on that, just drop us a call, send us an email, jump on Skype. And once again, thanks for your time today. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow. We just hit $10,000 on 4 contracts in the month of June so far, and we're only halfway through the month, guys. Don't miss it tomorrow. We'll see you guys then. Bye-bye for now.